What's up, YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Playfab help tool for Unreal Engine. So this is very easy. Now the easiest way to do this if you're starting from a fresh game is just to go ahead and use my Playfab menu level here and build upon that. It's already got everything pretty much set up there. All you need to do is go into your project settings and set your game instance to this Playfab instance and your launch level to the menu level. And then you'll be pretty much up and running. Just gotta input your game title ID and your Playfab key in here. So that's the kind of bare bones implementation if you're starting from a fresh project. If you're not starting from a fresh project, then of course you can also just spawn this help tool and create a variable reference to it in your own game instance. And you could still use my UI if you wish, or you could use your own UI and just connect these events similarly to how I've done here. So if you're new to Playfab, I'll assume you're capable of getting an account set up, but once you do have an account set up and you've launched your first title, then you're going to go to the little gear icon here, go to title settings. And I'm not going to show, I guess I can show this because it's obfuscated anyway. So you can go to your secret key right here, and you can copy and paste that into the secret key where you are spawning that Playfab help tool. Then you're going to go in here and get your title ID as well. So once you've done that, then you are pretty much all set for the initial implementation at least. I should mention you can also go in here and add your leaderboard. So you can make a leaderboard, say like current XP here, which is what I'm going to demo right now. And you can also use the legacy currency system to quickly and easily get set up with your first currency as well. I'm going to demo the XP on that, so you'll see those print to the screen really quickly and easily. Alright, so I can create a new account and it'll automatically log in, but I'm just going to go ahead and log in. Actually, yeah, I'm going to create an account so you don't see my real email here. Let's see, dev dad Isaac test, dev dad Isaac test at test.com. And although there is a recovery system, these emails are not currently validated when you sign up. That is something you can do with Playfab, but currently there is no validation. It will just log in and create the account, and the user will be able to recover their account if they want. Things have handled your error messages as well, and it prints our XP, which is of course 0 because it's a brand new account. And it printed out my leaderboard, which I have set up for my game. So yeah, that's pretty much all you actually need to know. This plugin also, well, this blueprint asset also does include my gamepad, my virtual keyboard for gamepad V2, which has this handy dandy button, so you don't have to do any additional setup as long as your controller can is getting focus and can navigate the UI. If you have the input set to UI, you should be able to get to this button and that'll present a virtual keyboard, and with a little bit more work you can actually make it just present directly from this text field. You can see my tutorial for the virtual keyboards for gamepad if you want to know how to set it up to work directly from the input field. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please do let me know, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.